Dario's pet. Dario was alone in his room. He was drawing his pet dog. His dog was quiet while he was drawing it. Dario colored the picture brown and white. He wrote a story under it. It was like this. This my pet. His name is Spotty. He is my playmate. I love Spotty. Comprehension question. Number 1. What was Darius doing? Number 2. What was Dario pet? Number 3. What did Dario write under the drawing? Number 4. What did Dario call his pet? Number 5. What was Dario playmate?